Uh, Dear Milan, I would like to thank you for your fruitful cooperation in the past 5 years in the European Parliament, working together to strengthen our common Europe in order to finally see our region of East and Central Europe fully integrated in the family of values where we have always belonged to. Your recent visit to my homeland, Transylvania, was a sign of your support to our efforts to cope with the heritage of our communist past. Now, with my message of support, I would like to wish you success so that we continue together our common struggle here in Strasbourg and Brussels. God bless you.